Good evening, Dominica, and welcome to tonight's weather broadcast from our studios in Jamaica for today, Monday, the 8th of July, 2024. I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. We begin by taking a look at what's going on in the tropics, and tropical storm formation is not expected in the tropical Atlantic for the next 7 days. However, we are monitoring this tropical wave here quite some ways out in the Atlantic, moving from east to west. Expect to approach the area within the next 5 days. We have Dominica here surrounded by that red circle. So taking a look at the moisture associated with this wave, you can see that quite a significant amount of moisture is associated with this wave at this time as it moves from east to west and approaching the area. However, closer to home, you can see that there are a few patches of low-level moisture expected to move across the island. This is expected to result in partly cloudy to occasionally cloudy skies with a few scattered showers. Now taking a look at our earlier infrared satellite imagery, what you can see, most of the deepest convection are across the areas of the Leeward Islands, with Dominica experiencing a relative decrease in moisture levels as the day progressed today. Now taking a look at earlier visible satellite imagery, and as you can see, most of the significant areas of clouds were located across the Leeward Islands, with Dominica experiencing a few patches of low-level clouds moving across from east to west, and this resulted in occasionally cloudy conditions with a few brief scattered showers. Now taking a look at the Saharan dust layer, as you can see, a significant amount of Saharan dust just to the east of us and expected to move across the islands before the approach of this tropical wave shown out here during the next 3 to 4 days. Now taking a look at what's going on with rainfall, a few patches of low-level clouds expected to move across the area with some scattered showers as we move on into the next few days. However, by Tuesday, out in the Atlantic, we see an increase in moisture and increasing convection associated with that tropical wave, which we have been monitoring, and this is expected to approach the area by Friday. Continuing ahead, by 8 a.m. on Wednesday, a decrease in convection associated with that wave as it moves closer to the islands. By 8 p.m. on Wednesday, a few patches of low-level clouds expected to move across the area, resulting in occasionally cloudy skies as this tropical wave continues on its path towards the island chain. Now taking a look at earlier radar imagery, a few pockets of showers which moved across the islands today, and some areas of showers, light showers per se, across the east and across mainly the southern portion of the island chain. Weather for tonight is expected to be partly cloudy to cloudy, hazy and occasionally breezy, with winds coming from the southeast, with a few scattered showers with winds up to 30 kilometers per hour. Similar conditions can be expected into tomorrow, with temperatures peaking up to 34 degrees Celsius on the coast and 32 degrees Celsius in the interior. Sea conditions, not much of concern as it relates to sea conditions, with waves going up to 7 feet, and we have high tides at 5:13 a.m. with low tides at 12:17 p.m. and high tide again at 6:26 p.m. with another low tide at 11:50 p.m. For the next few days, occasionally cloudy skies with a few scattered showers can be expected for the next few days as we expect some pockets of moisture to move across the islands during the next few days. However, by Thursday, we can expect to see an increasing cloudiness with a few scattered showers and possible isolated thunderstorms due to the presence of a weak trough before the approach of this tropical wave by Friday. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:41 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:40 p.m. Please remember that we are in hurricane season. Preparation is key. Know your vulnerability. See you next time. Have a good night.